Good morning children, welcome back to today's maths class. Now in this class I am going to show some currency notes to you children. See, what is this children? It is 2000 rupee note. See next one. What is this children? It is 100 rupee note. How many 100 rupee notes are there? Count 1, 2, 3. 300 rupee notes. And next see children 10 rupee notes. See 10 rupee notes. How many 10 rupee notes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 10 rupee notes. And next I have 1 rupee coins children. See 1 rupee coins. How many 1 rupee coins are there? See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 9 1 rupee coins. Now we are going to calculate how much money I have now. See children, 1 2000 rupee note and I have 300 rupee note. So 3 into 100, 300 plus I have 5 10 rupee notes. 5 10 rupee notes means 5 tens 50 plus I have how many 1 rupee coins? 9 1 rupee coins. So 9 ones 9. Now add all the numbers children. 9, 5, 3, 2. So how much money I have now? 2359. The sum of these place values gives the total amount. Okay children, here we wrote the place value of each note children. We wrote the place value of each note. Sum of place values is called expanded form. Next our topic is expanded form. Now expanded means nothing but writing the number as the sum of place values. See for example 1968. Write the places. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Let us write the place value. 1 is in which place? Thousands place. So what is the value of 1 children? 1 into 1000, 1000 plus 100. 9 is in which place? Hundreds place. So 9 into 100, 900 plus. Next 6 is in which place children? Tens place. So 6 tens, 60 plus. See 8 is in which place? Ones place. So 8 ones, 8. See here we wrote the place value of each digit. So sum of place values is called expanded form. Yesterday we learnt about place value children. One more time we will recall the place value. Look at the board children. 2968. Which digit is underlined? 9 is underlined. 9 is in which place? Hundreds place. So what is the value of 9 and 9? 9 into 100, 900. 3056. I underline 5. 5 is in which place children? Tens place. So what is the value of 5? 5 into 10. 5 tens, 50. 9060. Which digit is underlined? 0 is underlined. Write the places. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. See 0, 1. 0 means what children? Nothing. So what is the place value of 0? 0. Okay. The place value of 0 is 0. If it is in ones place or tens place or hundreds place or thousands place, the place value of 0 is 0. Now let us solve the exercise children. See, exercise 1.2 D Roman. Write the place value of the underlined digit. First one, 1309. See, what is the heading children? Write the place value of the underlined digit. First one, see, 1309. First write the places. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Which digit is underlined? 9 is underlined. 9 is in which place? Ones place. So 9 ones, 9. Second one, 2711. Write the places now. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Which digit is underlined? 7 is underlined. 7 is in which place? Hundreds place. So 7 into 100, 700. One more example. 3947. What is this number? 3947. Write the places. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Which digit is underlined? 3 is underlined. 3 is in which place? Thousands place. So what is the value of 3 here? 3 into 1000, 3000. Place value means we write the place value only for the particular digit. Did you all understand, children, how to write the place value? Yes. Now we are going to write the expanded form. See, children. Exercise 1.2 E Roman. Write the expanded form. See, children, now we are going to write expanded form. What is called expanded form? Sum of place values is called expanded form. In expanded form, we write the place value of each digit. First, write the places. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. We start from thousands place. See, children, what is this digit? 4. 4 is in which place? Thousands place. So, now tell me, children. The number is 4. 4 is in which place? Thousands place. What is the place value of 4? 4 into 1000? 4000 plus. What is the next place? Hundreds place. What is this number? 7. 7 into 100. How much? 700 plus. 1 in tens place, children. 1 10, 10 plus 8 1. So 8 into 1 is 8. So we write the place value of each digit. So expanded form is writing sum of place values is called expanded form. We write the number as the sum of place value. See second one, 7098. First write the places. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. We start from thousands place. What is this number? 7. 7 is in which place? Thousands place. So 7 into 1000, 7000 plus. See the next place, it is 0. In hundreds place 0 is given, children. We know that the place value of 0 is 0. So no need to write the hundreds place. Now go to next place, children. What is this number? 9. 9 is in which place? Tens place. So 9 tens, 90 plus. What is the next place, children? Ones place. What is this number? 8. So what is the value of 8 here? 8 ones, 8. See this number, children, 3000 to write the places. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. See, now we are going to write the expand form of this number. First start from thousands place. What is this number? 3. 3 is in which place? Thousands place. So 3 into 1000, 3000 plus. See, children, in hundreds place and tens place also 0 is given. So we know that the place value of 0 is 0. So no need to write the hundreds place and tens place. Now go to ones place. How many ones? 2 ones. So 2 ones, 2. Write places. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Start from thousands place. How many thousands? 9000. So 9000 plus. Anyway 0 is given in hundreds place. We know that the place value of 0 is 0. So no need to write 0. Now go to next place. What is the next place? Tens place. How many tens? 7 tens. So 7 into 10, 70 plus. How many ones? 5 ones. 5 into 1, 5. In this way we write the expanded form for the given number. Okay, children. Now look here, look at this example. 4000 plus 900 plus 70 plus 8. Here The place value of each digit is given. We are going to write the number. Okay children, here expanded form is given and the place value of each digit is given. How we are going to form the number? Let us see. Okay. First write the places. 8. 8 is a single digit number. Single digit number means which place? Ones place. 70. Two digit number. Two digit number means which place? Tens place. 900. 1, 2, 3. Three digits. Three digits means which place? Hundreds place. 4000. 4000 means how many digits? Four digits. Which place? Thousands place. So now start writing the number. Start from thousands place. How many thousands? Four thousands. How many hundreds? 900s. How many tens here? Seven tens. And how many ones? Eight ones. So what is the number here? What is the number we formed here? 4978. One more example. 3000 plus 400 plus 7. See, 3000 plus 400 plus 7. First write the places. 7 is a one digit number. One digit number means which place? Ones place. See, after ones it is tens place and two digit number. But here two digit number is not given. So what do we write in the tens place? We write 0 in the tens place. Okay, now see 400. 1, 2, 3. Three digits. Three digits means which place? Hundreds place. See 1, 2, 3, 4. Four digits. Four digit number means which place? Thousands place. Now write the number. How many thousands? 3000s. How many hundreds? 400s. Here tens place is not given. So what do we write in the tens place? 0. How many ones? 7 ones. So what is the number children? 3407. In this way we write the numbers in short form. Let us solve the next Roman. F Roman, write the number. First one, 3000 plus 60. Second one, 700 plus 70 plus 8. Third one, 8000 plus 80 plus 9. Next, 6000 plus 900 plus 70. Now let us write the number. Okay. See this Roman children. This is exercise 1.2 F Roman. Write the number. Place value of each digit is given. Now we are going to write the number. See children. What is the first place? Ones place. Ones place means single digit number. See in first sum, did they give single digit number? No. So what do we write in the ones place? 0. See 60. 60 is a two digit number. Two digit number means which place? Tens place. What is the next place after tens? Hundreds. Three digit number. Did they give three digit number? No. So what do we write here? 0 in hundreds place. Now see 1, 2, 3, 4. Four digit number. Four digit number means thousands place. Come on, start writing the number. How many thousands? 3000s. How many hundreds? Number is not given. So what do we write? 0. How many tens? 6 tens. In the same way, single digit number is not given children. So in ones place also 0. So what is the number? 3060. See next one. 700 plus 70 plus 8. 8 is a single digit number. Single digit number means which place? Ones place. 70. Two digit number. Two digit number means which place? Tens place. 700. Three digits. Three digits means which place? Hundreds place. Now write the number. How many hundreds? 700s. How many tens? 7 tens. How many ones? 8 ones. So what is the number? 778. See the next one. 8000 plus 80 plus 9. 9 is a single digit number. So which place? Ones place. 80. Two digit number. Two digit number means which place? Tens place. Ones, tens, next children hundreds. Hundreds place means three digit number. Here see children, after tens place they gave four digit number, thousands place. Hundreds place is not given. So what do we write in the hundreds place? 0. Now see 8,000. How many digits? 4 digits. 4 digits means which place? Thousands place. Now form the number. How many thousands? 8,000. See, 100 places. 100 places not given, so we write 0. How many tens? 8 tens. How many ones? 9 ones. So what is the number? 8,089. See the next sum. 6,000 plus 900 plus 70. See what is the first place? Ones place. Here ones place is not given. So what do we write in the ones place? 0. 70, 2-digit number. 2-digit number means which place? Tens place. 900, 3-digit number. 3-digit number means which place? Hundreds place. 6,000, how many digits? 4 digits. 4 digits means which place? Thousands place. Now write the number. 6,000, how many thousands here? 6. 900, how many hundreds? 9. 70, how many tens in 70 children? 7. And ones place is not given. So what do we write there? 0. So what is the number? 6,970. In this way we write the numbers in short form. See children, today we have learned how to write the place value of the underlying digit and how to write the numbers in expanded form and how to write the numbers in short form if the sum is given in expanded form. So at home also practice all these Romans at home children. Thank you.